Hello everyone. New series, that is MySQL learning series, is being started today. I will be posting the videos simultaneously on both the series, that is Python, which is already on the way, and also MySQL series, alternatively to benefit you to learn more and in quick way. So keep watching my videos, keep learning, and also help others to learn by forwarding the link of this channel. Your like and comment will be encouraging me to dedicate my time for creating these videos. So at the end of my videos, if you feel that you learned something, please. Before starting MySQL, it is important to know few things about database. The organized collection of interrelated data is referred as the database. The data is stored in independent and common way that any computer program would be able to use it. Any database software would be able to record, modify and retrieve the data. A software that is responsible for sorting, maintaining and utilizing the database is referred as a DBMS, that is Database Management System. A database along with the DBMS, that is referred as Database System. Most of the time data is stored in the form of table, and then tables are called as relations. When tables are used to organize the data, then the database management system becomes Relational Database Management System. When the tables are used to store the data, to work on it, queries are used. So here, structured query language is the language enables to create and operate on relational databases. SQL is the set of commands that is organized by nearly all the RDBMSs. SQL enables us creating or modifying a database structure, querying a database, inserting or modifying or deleting the database contents, permitting users for working on databases or tables, changing security settings for the system. Such type of language is MySQL. The chief inventor of MySQL was Michael Widenius, also called as Monty. MySQL has been named after Monty's daughter Mai. The logo of the MySQL, the dolphin, is named as Sakila. Advantages of MySQL. MySQL is a freely available open source RDBMS that uses structured query language. Here the open source means the software written for creating MySQL also available openly to modify it to fit to specific environment. MySQL works on all popular platforms and with many languages including PHP, Perl, C, C++, Java, Python and many more. MySQL works very fast even with large data sets and also reliable and easy to use. MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications. MySQL supports large databases up to 50 million rows or more in the table. Think about this. How huge it supports, still it is so faster. Hope this was good and short introduction about MySQL. Let us meet in the next class. In the next class, we are going to learn how to install MySQL. Until then, thank you.